Hello and welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to obtain the correlation coefficient for the following data. We have the values. Covariance between xy is minus 16.5, variance of x is 2.87 and variance of y is 100. So let's see how we obtain the value. Now we know that correlation coefficient R would be calculated as covariance of xy upon root of variance of x, which is actually standard deviation of x, into root of variance of y, that is standard deviation of y. So we substitute the values here. So we have minus 16.5 upon root of 2.87 into root of 100. So R is equal to minus 16.5. Now square root of 2.87 and 100. So we basically multiply these two square roots. So 2.87 into 100. So that gives root of 287. So R is equal to minus 16.5 and square root of 287 is 16.94. So if we perform this division, we obtain 16.5 divided by 16.94. The value is minus 0.974. So this is how you obtain the correlation coefficient.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.